afternoon, everyone. I'm really fortunate to be part of this association with Kerala Startup Mission. First time actually we are associated with the Kerala Startup Mission as a banking partner. Last year also we got this offer, but unfortunately we could not make it. But this year we made it that we will be attending this from corporate office, and we have come across from the Mumbai to attend this event. Before I start my formal speech, let me tell you that we are having around 16 startups across all the 16 startup cells across all the India. And we at Arlakulam are having one startup cell which we are catering to the especially to the startups, and we are having around association with 300 plus startups with our Arlakulam centers, and we are having uh, let me tell you again that we are having one startup cell at Ernakulam, and we are having around 300 plus startups accounts with Ernakulam branch. We are having one startup which are showcasing their product in drone technology in rural segment, and whenever I see such startups showcasing their product, I feel proud that I could make some difference in the life of people. This startup actually is as providing drone services and they are spraying the pesticides in agriculture field. So I'm very fortunate that I'm here, and let me delve into the topic which have been given to. We will be talking about the mighty middle. Mighty middle. When we think about the startups, what come to our mind? There are startups, unicorn startups like Zomato, Flipkart, and there are small business enterprises which are deeply locally rooted and others. However, between these two extremes, there lie a powerful segment, the mighty middles. These are the venture with the potential to achieve significant valuation, typically in the range of few crores to 100 crores within 5 to 10 years. They target mid-sized customers. They target mid-sized market. What are the opportunity for these mid-sized startups actually? India, as you know, we are third largest ecosystem in the world, and with the kind of events we are watching in Kerala Startup Mission and the Government of India introduction, we are quite sure we will be reaching the second. We will be the second largest nation in case of the startup ecosystem very shortly. So what makes India special? India is very uniquely positioned to foster mighty middle startups. We are having close to 140 billion population. We have to address the daily needs of these customers. We are having digital infrastructure in place, platforms like UPI, e-commerce such as Flipkart and Amazon, and tools like Shopify empower startups to reach national and even global audience within minimal resources. We have digital payment system and increasing internet penetration. Our country, we are having the cheapest data range actually, which are in our country. Thanks to our Geo and Airtel, they are offering cheapest data pack in our country. Because of this, it could have been possible that our startups are able to address the mass public in even in rural and semi-urban areas. In addition to digital infrastructure which have been supported by the government is also supporting our startups like through Startup India missions, Mudra loan, credit guarantee loans. Let Before I complete my speech, let me introduce. We are fortunate. I can continue. Uh, in addition to the digital infrastructure, we are having privilege to have government support in case like Startup India, Mudra loans, credit guarantees. So, and one of the mentorship program in the morning was highlighted by Suvangi Jain, like in the name of Bhaskar. These kind of support system by the government of India laying the foundation and groundwork for startup to access financial resources and mentorship. The Make in India and Digital India program encourage innovations and localization, hyper localization, let me say, creating opportunity in manufacturing, tech, and services. Being Bank of Baroda, let me tell you that we have partnered with around 230 plus fintech companies, along with which we are creating, along with we are co-creating the solution for our financial sectors. In addition to that, we are having global market. Our Bank of Baroda is having presence across 29 countries, mostly in Africa. our these mighty middle startups can target those countries in which we are having presence. With the support of our banking channels, we are having branches across these countries. You can target such segment. We provide letter of credit facilities. We provide bank guarantee. We provide export credit. If you are exporting to those countries, we are having very competitive export credit facilities available with us. Please explore us. Please do visit our Arlakulam branch, which is very close vicinity of our. Uh, as one of India's leading bank, Bank of Baroda has been a partner in the entrepreneurial journey. Here is how we are empowering mighty middle startups. Number one, financial support. We understand that mighty middle startups are bootstraps or rely on modest funding. To support this, we provide customized SME loan products offering flexible repayment option and competitive interest rate. We are at startup, we provide collateral-free loan through credit guarantee fund trust for micro and small enterprises through CGT MSME coverage. We offer venture debt financing for startups seeking a hybrid between equity and traditional loan. In addition to financial support, we also support mid-level startups for IPO felicitation. For startups scaling successfully into profitability, IPO is a natural next step. Bank of Baroda provides advisory services and bridge financing to assist startups in preparing for financial listing. We also educate potential investor on the opportunities presented by these IPOs, making them more accessible to a wider audience. In addition to that, we are having our dedicated FDI cell. These startups are uniquely positioned and attract the foreign direct investment. But foreign direct investment is not a cup of tea. There are lot number of reporting required, and the regulator have to rely on the bank. We bank will support you in reporting to the regulator all kind of reporting, so you can take that benefit of that also. Bank of Baroda act as a facilitator offering advisory services, assisting with compliance requirement and ensuring seamless fund management. Through our international network, we connect Indian startups with global investors who recognize the potential of the mighty middle. In addition to that, we support the government initiative for promoting export credit also. So in so we have collaborated mutual benefit like promoting export growth. For startup targeting global marketing, we offer export financing and tailored forex solution. We support in navigating trade policies and global market dynamics, especially for e-commerce and focused products. We also enable the startups in financial literacy and mentorship. Like beyond funding, we help startup for organizing workshop, mentorship session, and sector specific advisory service. Bank of Baroda collaborates with accelerator and incubators to nurture founders through every stage of through their entrepreneurial journey. Let me tell you that we are also one of the partner with IIT Bombay, and we are supporting the incubator center in the IIT Bombay also. And what are the advantages these mighty middle startups are offering? For entrepreneurs, the mighty middle offers several distinct benefits: greater control and equity. Founders often retain ownership, avoiding the dilution that comes with the venture capital funding. Early profitability without the pressure of chasing aggressive growth. Founder can begin paying themselves earlier from the firm profit. One of the advantages of the mighty middle startup is desirable risk reward balance. Mighty middle startup offer a life changing growth opportunity potential without the high risk profile of venture scale unicorns. For bank and investor, the mighty middle startup present an exciting segment to support steady return with valuation in the range of several crore rupees. Mighty middle startups offer attractive returns. Sustainability, these startups often achieve sustainable growth, making them reliable partners and clients. We are happy to announce that we were the early partners for Ola Electric, Grow, and Boat Lifestyle. Before I conclude my session, I would like to invite my general manager, who is the business. So I can continue with the. So we at Bank of Baroda are having a very many products for startups. So we are having dedicated startup current account with kit and vouchers. We support startups through credit guarantee support scheme. We provide corporate premium credit card. We are having POS QR. We are having payment gateway. You can partner with us and through API banking and provide Baroda DigiNet cash management services. We are having merchant gateway. We can plug with your website and it can help you in collecting the payment through various means, through debit cards, through UPI, through internet payment. We are having corporate salary account structure with us. And we are having Baroda Ista Smart Trade. Baroda Ista Smart Trade is a special product in which you just have to upload the document from your end and you can process all kind of forex transaction at the convenience of your home. So let me introduce with our colleague Salini Madam, who will be coming she will be introducing you with the cash management services, which is very unique product to support the startups.
Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all here. Myself Shalini, I'm taking care of the digital products of Bank of Baroda, in particular Baroda Cash Management Services. If a startup ഏതായാലും, like whatever be the core of your startup, you will definitely require a bank account. So we at Bank of Baroda, we have got different type of accounts for startup. Exclusively for startups, we have got accounts with even minimum balance of 0 also, depending on the kind of business that you're doing. So myself, I'm taking care of the Baroda Cash Management Services. Basically, as I told, whichever be the core of your startup, technology is definitely a must and a bank account is also a must. So what if you get both together in a single platform? So that is what is Baroda Cash Management Services, what we are doing. We can actually, before moving further, let me just brief you, like what are the facilities that we are providing under Baroda Cash Management Services, BCMS. Basically, mainly you will be having payments, collections, or fund transfer within your own accounts. So these are the main three things that you will require within your company. So basically, we have a solution for all these three kind of modules. First of all, let me just explain the payment management. So the payment management, like as you know, the normal internet banking will not be sufficient for your, for your company. Like the normal kind of internet banking, or the you definitely require a corporate solution to it. Like you might have to make vendor payments, you might have to make salary payments. So all these should be done in a single shot. That is what is required. So we give a solution wherein there is a bulk facility, a bulk payment facility, wherein a single file can be used for a bulk upload. And we also have the facility wherein you can opt for whether multi or single. In the sense, in the statement, you can either see as 100 entries for 100 vendor payments or a single entry also, depending on the requirement. The beauty of our product is that it is customizable to the requirement of the customer. Like the way you want it, the way you want the report to be. There might be n number of fields which are there in the report, which are not actually required. So you might require only a certain number of fields. We can make it that way also. So that is regarding the payment module. We also have a facility wherein email advising or SMS advising is possible to your vendors. So mostly what happens, you make a payment to your vendor and then you will have to share the UTR number, or you will have to take it and then send it to them through WhatsApp, right? So we have a solution wherein automatically in that file which you are uploading, you can give the email ID or the mobile number of the vendor. So what will happen? Automatically the vendor will get an invoice. Say for your invoice of this particular number, against the invoice number, with this UTR number, we have made a payment of this amount. So that will make your job even more easier. Before moving further, I would like to add one more point. What is not available now is time. So time is something which is very, very precious for everyone. Let it be in whichever sector you are. So, like taking the UTR, then sending it to their customer. So this is a solution for proper time management also. Also, you can schedule payments. In the sense, if you want a payment to go after 2-3 days, also the particular date can be mentioned as the value date, and you can make the payment. So this is the main case of what I said earlier about the payment management. That is the vendor payments or the salary payments or any kind of payments which are required. So next we have the receivables management. Like the receivables, for example, like you have n number of people who are making payment to your account. So in that case, it will be difficult for you to find out who has made what payment. So for that, what we do is against one current account, we can give n number of the virtual account numbers. So the privacy of your account number is also there. At the same time, the virtual account can be given to the person who has to send money to you. So to that virtual account, he'll be making the payment through NEFT, RTGS, or any mode that he is comfortable with, like mobile banking or internet banking. And the amount will be credited to your current account with a narration that this particular person has made the payment. So that will make your, again, time management. Like it will be very easy for you to reconcile the statement. Also, we have got cash pickup facility and check pickup facility from different branches. And the third management module is the liquidity management. Say, suppose you have got 10 branches. Like we have a stall here. I hope that all of you have visited our stall. So in our stall, just yesterday we had they are into acupuncture business. They have 53 branches. So they have got 53 accounts also. So suppose you have a main central account, and at EOD, the day end, from all the 53 branches, the amount is pooled in to the main current account. So that is done automatically. You don't have to initiate anything. That can be done through our liquidity management. It should be your own accounts, like from all the branch accounts, like 53 accounts, amount can be pooled to the main central account. So that is what is liquidity management all about. So these are the main three modules that we have under Baroda Cash Management Services. And also, like like the previous session by Hero, they were also mentioning about the digital India, the digital solutions, the fintech companies and all. So definitely, whichever be your core of the startup, you will be having an ERP. So the ERP can be integrated with our bank's server. So wherein you don't have to visit the bank portal, or you don't have to log into our portal and make payments. You can just log into your own portal. With integration, you can actually debit your account and make the payment to the particular vendor or whomever you have to make the payment. So we have both host-to-host as well as API integrations programs. This already what I have explained. Okay, this is about the cash pickup, and the DTI NASH collection also is possible. This explains the virtual account concept, that there is a real account number under which you can have n number. Say, suppose here in this example, we have got 5 virtual accounts. Okay, so the host-to-host or API integration is in very particular, the real time. In real time, you can make payment or either individually or in a bulk. Like host-to-host will be done in a. Those who are much into technology will be able to understand it better. Like you will be able to correlate it to the program, the product which you are having. So this is a liquidity module which I was explaining earlier. That is, we have the option of either maintaining a zero balance in the example which I gave earlier. Suppose there are 53 branches, and the acupuncture company, they want to sweep in. They want to maintain zero balance in all the 53 accounts, and they want to transfer the entire balance to one particular central account. So that by EOD they can do that zero balancing also. Otherwise, they can also suggest that we need a balance of this much to be maintained at each of the branch, so that it is customizable. As I told earlier, our product is completely customizable. Just like how you are innovating and finding each products. So we are also much into innovation, and we develop products the way our customers want. and this slide is about like who we can, who will be more useful, like for whom these products will be more useful. For example, even the cash collection facility, if you can see the retail stores, municipal corporations, educational institutions, where there will be cash collection in the form of, say, the fees or anything that can be collected, cash pickup can be done. At virtual accounts, of course, educational institutions. In our stall, we got an inquiry yesterday that was like they are into online coaching. They are into online coaching. So that customer, that particular inquiry was about, they get lots of, like, they get fees from around 500 people from entire world. They have people outside also. So they were asking for a solution, how we can find out, how we can identify who has made the payment. So we can actually give a virtual account to all these students. So when they make the payment, it will be reflected in the current account. So that is about the virtual account. Check collection and a NASH DDI facility also is possible for the NBFCs and other institutions. These are our current BCMS these are among the few current BCMS partners that we are having pan India. So that is about Baroda Cash Management Services. Thank you. I request GM sir. We are actually happy that our zonal head has come all the way from Ernakulam to attend the program. I request our zonal head Srijit sir to please address. No. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes. Okay. So we will move forward. Sir is here. So if you have any queries or if you want to ask, and we have got a stall also. And actually, I think we covered almost all the delegates at the stall itself. So might be that's the reason when there is a talk. Means whatever I spoke now, we have been speaking for the past 2 days in and out. So might be that's also a reason. So if there is any questions, like ഇവിടെയുള്ള ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ബാങ്കിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് അറിയണമെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് പറയാം. Shall we wind up then?
On behalf of all of us gathered here, I would like to extend my immense gratitude to Sir and Ma'am for their informative session. And thank you once again to all the participants for making this event success. And then now we have a token of gratitude towards Sir from our KSM officials.